Hi everyone, it's me again. Today I'm going to practice six consonant sounds. The first is go shopping. My friends and I usually go shopping at the weekend. Sleep. I like sleeping when it rains. Go camping. We often go camping together on summer vacations. The next is badminton. I like playing badminton every afternoon. Backpacking. I want to go backpacking around the world. I am a big fan of collecting stamps. The next is interested. I am interested in singing and dancing. Hang out. I enjoy hanging out with my friends on the weekend. Travel. I want to travel all around the world. And the last one is the dance. Dancing can help me reduce stress. Playing sports can boost my energy when I feel down. Outdoor. I like joy outdoor activities with in my free time. Thank you for attention.